What if the home of the future isn't built on land at all? What if it follows you wherever you go? Imagine waking up beside a peaceful lake one morning, parking on a mountain overlooking the clouds the next, and ending your day on a quiet beach, all without booking a hotel or unpacking a single suitcase. It sounds impossible, but while the world has been watching companies like Tesla and BYD race to build the future of transportation, another Chinese company has been quietly working on something even more ambitious. Instead of reinventing the car, they decided to reinvent the home itself. From the outside, this looks like a sleek, futuristic van, but the moment those doors slide open, everything changes. You're no longer stepping into a vehicle. You're walking into a fully functional home with a living room, a bedroom, a kitchen, a private bathroom, and enough smart technology to make many modern apartments look outdated. It completely changes the way you think about travel, because this isn't designed to take you from one place to another. It's designed to make every destination feel like home. The idea behind this project is surprisingly simple. Around the world, buying a house is becoming more expensive every year, while more people are choosing flexible lifestyles where they can work remotely and travel whenever they want. Instead of asking how to build a better camper, the engineers behind this project asked a much bigger question. What if people no longer needed a permanent house at all? What if everything they needed could move with them? That question led to nearly 3 years of development by DTL Motor Technology, a company based in China's Guangdong province. Rather than building another luxury RV, their goal was to create something that could genuinely replace traditional living for people who value freedom without sacrificing comfort. Every part of this vehicle was carefully designed with that vision in mind, from its lightweight aluminum construction to its aerodynamic body that helps improve efficiency on long journeys. Before leaving the factory, every unit goes through extensive testing, because when your vehicle is also your home, reliability isn't just important, it's everything. Of course, building a home on wheels requires much more than adding furniture inside a large van. Underneath this futuristic design is a heavy-duty commercial chassis built for long-distance travel. Power comes from a turbocharged diesel engine that delivers enough performance to handle highways, mountain roads, and challenging terrain with confidence. Despite its size, it's surprisingly easy to drive, giving the feeling of a large SUV rather than an oversized motorhome. But the real magic begins once you step inside and interact with its technology. Almost every function is controlled through a large digital touchscreen. The lighting, air conditioning, heating, water system, and many other features can all be managed with just a few taps. Even better, you don't always have to touch the screen. Using a mobile app, you can control many of these systems without leaving your bed, making everyday life incredibly convenient. The smart features don't stop there. Advanced driver assistance systems constantly monitor the road ahead. Adaptive cruise control automatically adjusts your speed in traffic, while lane monitoring helps keep the vehicle safely centered. A full 360-degree camera system makes parking far easier than you'd expect for something this large. And when you finally reach your destination, another clever feature takes over. If the ground isn't perfectly flat, the vehicle automatically levels itself, so you don't end up sleeping on an angle or eating dinner at a tilted table. Navigation has also been taken to another level. Instead of simply following a map, the intelligent system monitors traffic and weather conditions in real time, suggesting better routes whenever necessary. It feels less like driving a vehicle and more like having a personal travel assistant planning the journey alongside you. If you're enjoying exploring futuristic innovations like this, make sure you're subscribed to Modern Discovery, because we uncover technologies that could completely change the way we live, travel, and experience the future. And believe it or not, everything we've shown you so far is only scratching the surface. Because the biggest surprise isn't how this vehicle drives, it's how it feels to actually live inside it. Once you see what's hidden beyond the driver's cabin, you'll understand why so many people believe this could be the future of housing itself. Now comes the part that completely changes your perception of this vehicle. From the outside, it already looks impressive, but the real surprise begins the moment you step inside. Instead of the cramped interior you'd expect from a motorhome, you're welcomed by a space that feels more like a modern studio apartment than something built to travel down the highway. Warm ambient lighting, premium materials, and a carefully planned layout immediately create the feeling of a luxury hotel rather than a vehicle. This isn't a place where you simply sleep during a road trip. It's designed to be somewhere you could comfortably live every single day. Every inch of the interior has been designed with a purpose. The seating area quickly transforms into a comfortable lounge where you can relax after a long drive, while hidden storage compartments make sure nothing feels cluttered. As you move further inside, you'll find a surprisingly capable kitchen equipped with everything needed to prepare real meals on the road. There's a cooking area, a sink, a microwave, generous storage, and enough workspace to make everyday cooking feel completely natural. Instead of surviving on fast food during long journeys, you can enjoy the comfort of home no matter where you've parked. The sleeping area continues the same philosophy. A spacious queen-size bed folds neatly into place, while smart storage underneath keeps luggage, clothes, and travel equipment out of sight. Cabinets are built into the walls, making excellent use of every available inch without making the interior feel crowded. Even the bathroom has been thoughtfully designed, featuring a shower, a smart toilet, hot water, and water-saving technology that helps extend your stay when you're far away from any campsite. What makes this RV even more impressive is that it isn't dependent on traditional infrastructure. Mounted on the roof are solar panels that continuously collect energy throughout the day, charging a large battery system capable of powering lights, appliances, air conditioning, and other essential equipment. And if several cloudy days reduce solar production, a backup generator automatically steps in to keep everything running. Whether you're camping deep in the mountains or parked beside a remote beach, the experience remains almost identical to living in a conventional home. The technology inside is just as impressive as the living space itself. Built-in Wi-Fi and high-speed connectivity allow you to work remotely, attend meetings, upload videos, or stream entertainment almost anywhere. It's easy to see why this kind of vehicle has become increasingly attractive for digital creators, remote workers, and full-time travelers. Instead of planning your life around one location, your office, bedroom, and living room travel with you wherever you decide to go. Little details make an even bigger difference. Automatic window blinds adjust with the touch of a button. Mood lighting changes the atmosphere depending on whether you're relaxing or working. And a panoramic roof lets you look directly at the stars without leaving your bed. These aren't features designed simply to impress buyers in a showroom. They're designed to make everyday life on the road feel genuinely comfortable. Of course, all of this luxury comes at a price. The entry-level version starts at around $12,000, offering all the essentials needed for comfortable travel and off-grid living. Buyers looking for more space can choose the premium version, which adds upgraded interiors, expanded living space, smarter controls, and enhanced comfort features. At the very top sits the luxury edition, where expandable walls, premium entertainment systems, advanced climate control, and 5-star hotel-level finishes transform the vehicle into something truly extraordinary. Depending on the version and import costs, owning one in countries like India could easily cost well over 1 crore of rupees. Naturally, comparisons with companies like Tesla and BYD are unavoidable. Tesla has demonstrated exciting ideas around sustainable living, while BYD continues pushing electric transportation forward. But both companies mainly focus on how people travel. DTL approached the challenge from a completely different direction. Instead of asking how to improve transportation, they asked how transportation itself could become a place to live. That's what separates this vehicle from almost everything else currently on the market. It isn't simply moving you from one destination to another. It allows your destination to move with you. That doesn't mean it's perfect. A vehicle this large still presents practical challenges. Finding suitable parking can be difficult in crowded cities. Maintenance requires specialized service, and depending on the configuration, long-distance energy management still needs careful planning. But even with those limitations, it's hard to ignore the bigger picture. As cities become more crowded and housing continues becoming more expensive, ideas like this may no longer sound unrealistic. For many people, freedom could eventually become more valuable than a permanent address. A home that lets you wake up in a different place whenever you choose isn't just an exciting concept anymore. It's already becoming a reality. Maybe the future won't be defined by the size of the house you own, but by the number of places your home can take you. And if that future arrives sooner than expected, vehicles like this may be remembered as the first real step toward a world where home is no longer a location. It's wherever you decide to park. If you enjoyed discovering this incredible innovation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Modern Discovery, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next breakthrough that's shaping the future of technology.